Okay, good morning guys, welcome to Cooling Electrical Solution. Today we'll be discussing this piece of component right here. If you don't know, this is sunshine accumulator. So we'll be discussing the sunshine accumulator, the function of this, how it works, why is it connected to the system. So this is just the open section of it, so you can see within the sunshine accumulator. This is just the way it is, and most often you find it connected on the compressor, the low side of the compressor, which is the sunshine. So let's dive into explanation of this particular component, how it works from one point to another. Okay, so if you have come across this, you will know that this is connected on the compressor to the sunshine line, and this particular sunshine accumulator is there to protect or reduce refrigerant from entering the compressor, because if you notice that refrigerant leaving the evaporator sometimes might not change that completely to vapor. So the sunshine accumulator helps to change the liquid refrigerant to vapor to enter the compressor, because we don't want liquid entering our compressor causing pistons to break or something to spoil. So the sunshine accumulator is there to change our liquid to vapor for proper compression. So now this side is connected to the compressor where my pinky is. This side where my pinky finger is connected to the compressor, and this side is going out from the sunshine of the evaporator to this side. So when you observe refrigerant enters from this port, spray down. Here is a cap. If you see keenly, you'll notice that this cap is covered. Refrigerant don't just enter this coil. So, and here is it's a filter leg that filter refrigerant, because it's going back in the compressor. Any moisture or dye that is in the refrigerant will stay right in the accumulator. It won't pass through. So this is it. This is it right here. All right. So now, when refrigerant enters from this port, roll down, enters the accumulator. What happens? This line gonna suck vapor, because we observe that liquid gonna be sitting at the bottom here. There's no way it's gonna come up here. Only vapor gonna come through this coil. So this coil gonna suck vapor back to the compressor, and the process continue. And we know that refrigerant or boiling point is very low, and this accumulator is connected on the side of the compressor. It has some heat attached around it, just a heat, it contrasts heat. So what happens is that when refrigerant enters this particular accumulator, it's gonna boil out and turn into vapor and suck back into the compressor for proper compression. So this is just important on the refrigeration system. It's very much important. Without this, you observe that compressor gonna damage, because liquid refrigerant gonna go back in your compressor. So stay tuned guys, I will bring you more tutorial on HVAC systems and how the components work. So this is the sunshine accumulator.